Today is August 25 and we have new trees as a replacement. So this is the first replacements. Okay, that one right at the end. So I need to get a closer view. Okay, this one is a Premna microphylla, or the common name is Argao or Abgao. So style is forest style, and the owner is Myron Gonzaga, owner and artist Myron Gonzaga, affiliated with the Iligan Lanao Bonsai Society. Okay, the next entry as a replacement tree is Trifascia trifolia, or commonly called wild lemon. The other name is limeberry. Okay, so the style is informal upright. Owner is still Myron Gonzaga, affiliated with the Iligan Lanao Bonsai Society. Third replacement tree is a Premna microphylla, commonly called Argao or Abgao, style informal upright. Owner Olimar Isqueta, affiliated with Iligan Lanao Bonsai Society. Okay, so the fourth tree is Vitex trifolia, or Tugas Sabato, commonly called Tugas Sabato. Style is informal upright. Owner Olimer Isqueta, affiliated with Iligan Lanao Bonsai Society. Okay, that's it. Vitex trifolia, Vitex trifolia. Olimer Isqueta, owner and artist. Okay, the next entry is Ficus Long Island or Baliti. Okay, style rock clasping. Owner Olimar Squeta. Affiliated with Iligan Lanao Bonsai Society. So the rest of the trees are still the same. Okay, but they will eventually be replaced. So they will not be so stressed because it's still until October 30th, still August 30th, and it's still August 25 now. There are 5 days more to go. And the old displays, I don't think will be very stressed by then. Dapat dito siya tubag do. Tama.
Tara. Tara, sir.
Tira.
Tara din. Kaya ito bang kunin mo dito?
Wala na yung mga lisod. Ko na sa pransit. Sige, sakto ka po ano.
Ay, uwa na, okay.
Sige, wala na. Di na ko pasayro. Pasayro na.
Oo. Tira na.
Okay.
Tira na.
Okay, lagi sila. We're loading up for the show. And we're replacing the trees which have been there for 5 days. So this will be the replacement trees. And it will be for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. So the old displays have been 5 days already, and this will be for 4 days. So good luck to us. Hope you enjoyed it.